Instant Pot. In this video, we are going to be unboxing and giving you our first impressions on our Duo Plus multi-use pressure cooker, so our Instant Pot. So our rice cooker was showing its age and we just thought it was time to upgrade and order something new, so we're excited to get this. You can see it comes in a lovely box. It actually has a nice little handle on there, which is a nice feature because it is quite heavy. And when you open it up inside, you'll see there's a nice large instruction booklet. Fantastic, because it's got a lot of features, so I'm sure we'll put that to good use. There's a little ring inside, and then there's some packaging that you're going to want to remove. And you can see it's nested down in there nicely, and what we're going to do next is just pop it out of the box off camera so we can talk about it and some of its features. Alright, we have our Instant Pot out of the box, and we're just going to keep opening it up. So we're going to remove the lid. And you can see that there's an extra sleeve down inside with some other bits like power cord, right? A little rack. And there's some extra warnings, right? So things like never using the Instant Pot without the stainless steel inner pot in place, right? And you can see that down inside our pot is our heating element. And there's some directions a couple of pages into your manual that you probably want to follow for getting started that include how to clean and properly prepare this before you start using, and also a test run. And you want to make sure probably too that you read the whole instruction booklet first, or at least to get a good idea of everything you need to do and a lot of the different safety features, right? Just because this is a pressure cooker, so once it heats up, comes to pressure, that's, you know, a lot of force in there, right? And there's a bunch of different little warnings too on the top about how to use it, and it recommends not removing those stickers. So once you get everything out, try to familiarize yourself with it, get it out, get it cleaned up. You can see it comes with a nice stainless steel inner liner, right? And probably run the water test as recommended in the manual. But overall, the design and the quality seems really great. We're really looking forward to putting it to use, and you can see there's a lot of different little buttons here for all the different functions, and we're excited about all the different features and the different things that it can do. So we're looking forward to getting this cleaned up and ready to use, installing our little sealing ring, and running that water test.